kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter G. In this lesson, you will be able to learn and recognize pictures beginning with the sound of the letter G. At the same time, you will be able to read words beginning with the sound of the letter G. Are you ready? G is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter G. How to write the uppercase letter G? Use one stroke to write the uppercase letter G. Start below the blue headline. Circle back left. Ending above the red baseline. Slide left. This is a lowercase letter G. How to write the lowercase letter G? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter G. Start below the blue midline. Circle back left all the way around. Push up straight to the blue midline. Pull down straight through the red baseline to the next blue guideline. Curve back to the left. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter G. G is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter G sounds as G, G, G.
The water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain with a gurg, 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 gurg. The water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain with a gurg, 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 gurg.
Read the consonant vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. Go, go, garlic. Go, ge, get. Go, gi, gift. Go, go, gold. Go, go, gum. Ga, ge, gi, go, go. Ge, ga, gi, ga, go. Gi, go, ge, ga, go. Go, go, gi, ge, ga. Now, it's your turn. Good job! Garage. Garden. Garlic. Get. Give. Gill. Goat. Golf. Gorilla. Gum. Gun. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter G. Garage, garden, garlic, get, give, gill, goat, golf, gorilla, gum, gun. More words beginning with the sound of the letter G. Glass, ghost, gate, guitar, grapes, glue, grass, giraffe, girl, green, gloves, guava, goose, glasses, globe, grasshopper. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant-vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is gold. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is garden. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is gill. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is golf. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is gift. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is gorilla. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is Ga, garlic. Write the name of the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter G. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. These are the pictures whose names begin with the sound of the letter G. Grass, grapes, giraffe, guava, gloves, globe. Now, practice writing the letter G on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.